YouTube, what is going on, guys? So today we got a new video and I'm excited about this video, man, because it's my boy YoFonzz. He cut my hair. I told you guys he cut my hair, and you guys seen a little bit of it in a vlog on my barber channel, and a lot of you guys were like wondering, yo, where's the tutorial? So he dropped a tutorial a few days ago and I had to react to it, and I started watching like 2 minutes of it. It got to a part where I was like, damn, he's about to go deep. Let me not watch this. I gotta react to it. So with that being said, man, we're about to check out YoFonzz cutting my hair. I got a feeling this is gonna be a banger. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the video. He changed the thumbnail. I think he changed the thumbnail. How to fix this. And then he exposes my hairline. Ain't right, bro. Alright, here we go. I want it straight. I don't want looking natural and
don't worry, it's not gonna look natural, bro. It's not gonna look natural, I promise.
You got jokes.
My peeps, what's going on? Today we're gonna go ahead and give my boy Chris Basio a decent old cut. And yes, I said decent because decent is the best I could do for you on this day, Chris.
Boy, looking rough. That's how I look right now. Look at this. Get my hair cut like once a month. Greasy forehead and everything.
Alright, so here we are. Chris, talk to me, bro. What do you want? Are we gonna go for a taper or are we gonna go for a fade? What do you want?
Actually, I lied. I want a fade. For real. I want a fade.
A fade. Okay. But besides the skin fade, Chris, what do you want on top?
Number 7.
Okay, alright. In a way, I'm not mad at that. Maybe he was trying to make it easier on me.
That's not what it was. Alright. What it was is I was going to Dominican Republic, and I just wanted my haircut nice and short because I knew it was gonna be hot as hell out there.
So after running that number 7 on the top, guys, I went ahead and grabbed the number 6 just to run over the ridge, and after that I comb it down and start balding out. Afterwards, I get rid of the line with the same trimmer that I stamp with. So it's real simple, guys. You know, you stamp, you shave with the shaver, and after you start the process of fading and you notice that the line's not coming out, you just come back with the trimmer. We'll get to that in a minute, but first, shout outs to AJ for helping out for just a little bit, and by a little bit I just mean a few minutes. AJ's the newest barber we have at Headlines Barbershop Northdale. This is the shop that I'm at, for those that often ask.
Y'all don't know, AJ moved all the way from Boston to join the team, and he's already busy at the shop. AJ's a hustler, man. He's about that life, bro. Here goes the help. The help is gone. Okay, looking blurry.
When I would be helping you,
damn, and you left me.
Cool.
Hold on, man. Run that back, bro. Damn, these are memories, bro. These are some serious memories, bro.
It's before he ended up leaving us.
All right, there goes the help. The help is gone.
Now I know how you felt when I would be helping you.
Yo, what? Y'all don't realize that video, that picture that he's showing, we had the vest on. That's at least, Fonz, what would you say? At least 5 years old? 5 years old. The help is gone.
Now I know how you felt when I would be helping you.
Damn. And you left me? That was in San Francisco. We had like 60 people packed in this little barbershop because we was on tour, and Fonz would come with me, film. We got all the vlogs on this channel. Damn. And you left me? When I said you left me, it's because he went out on his own, created his own channel. But obviously I was joking. But y'all realize Fonz was editing and filming my tutorials. We knew this is what he was doing, but he literally was pretty much interning to one day blossom and become his own creator. Look at him now, bro. To me, he's the best creator in the industry.
My inch section with no blade all the way open, and to me, this is where the action starts, okay? And remember, if you so happen to stamp just like your boy here, it's okay. It's okay, because we're going to get rid of it first. We're going to try to get rid of it with the blade all the way closed. And from there, we're going to start fading away with the trimmers. As you can see, I brought the trimmers out. And if it doesn't work this way, try to stretch the skin. Sometimes you even got to bring back the shaver. I actually like this one foil shaver by Gamma. I've been using it for like 3 months now. And it's one of my favorite shavers. So we brought out our number 2 guard, and guys, at this point you want to close it up, because after you close it up, we're gonna bring out the number 1.5, okay? And at that point, we're just gonna make sure that our fade meets. Lately, I've been cutting in a way where I don't just fade one direction. I kind of start in the bottom and then go from the top down and meet. Typically, that's been working out for me just well. So give it a try, guys. I like it. I don't know why I just used that big old comb.
Yeah, he did grab that big comb. Damn, that's looking blurry. My vlog didn't do this haircut justice because that's looking really blurry. That was a lazy move. Like sometimes when you cut hair, you don't feel like, if it takes longer than 3 seconds to find the comb you're specifically looking for, and you see the flat top comb or the clipper comb, just grab the clipper comb. Let's keep it moving. Damn, my hair looks frail. And it looks so staticky, like I've been shocked or something. Big old scar in the back of my head.
Continuing the fade, we're back with the number 2. And while we are covering that area with the number 2, did you notice that little section, that little line, that little gash in the back? I just cut actually somebody today with a similar gash. And don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry and think to yourself,
Fonz, that was you, bro. At a beard game, come a long way, baby.
Right, so at this point, we are on the beard. Now, the beard game, I feel very confident when it comes to beards for some reason. When it comes to the mustache area, that's probably the most work I gotta still do.
That boy Fonz spent like 20 minutes on just my mustache. And he was telling me the whole time, mustache is making me nervous, mustache is hard. And he's right. Like, I got like a patch right here that if you're not careful, it just doesn't connect. I'm not sure if it's this side or the other side, but like if you're not careful, you can't really keep it that natural. You got to bring it in a little bit, and I think it makes people nervous, especially since I don't like my mustache skinny. Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed, his eyes were flinching a little bit, so I had to change the trimmers. They were biting a little bit too much. And remember when I mentioned the shaver? That's where I should have used that one full shaver on his mustache. So I didn't have to waste so much time with the razor. And you're gonna see soon what I mean by wasting a lot of time with the razor.
Yeah, I'm okay with just using the shaver instead of the razor on my mustache. The only time I really use the razor a lot of times with the mustache is if I want to get more detailed around the mustache. But if the trimmer does the job, I'll follow up with the shaver. And that was a good point Fonz was making about flinching with the trimmers. Now, I will say this, Fonz did a really good job on my mustache. He won't tell you that, but I'm telling you, he did a good job.
Or at least I'm gonna just give you a tad bit of what I did. I'm not gonna give you the whole spiel. Again, he prefers to be in and out, and here we go. This is YouTube stuff right here. You see what he's doing. He's bringing out the camera. Thanks, Chris. You know, just a little bit more pressure on me. It's not like it's, you know, I'm already in my head. You had to bring out the camera a few times throughout this service, but it's okay. I got it, Papa. All right, guys. So somewhere slithering around the hallways, we got Nata.
Now, hold on. I will say this about my hairline. I actually like, take that off. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about real quick. I'm actually okay. Boom. I'm okay with that. You might be able to get away with like, boom. No, even higher. I'm okay with that lineup, bro. Because this is all fringe. And I like my hairline to look full. I'm okay with having a little bit of a bigger forehead. I ain't trying to hide my age, bro. But for good reason, barbers do not do that. They go here and they go about right there. And then the wind hits me and my corners are looking like that. I don't know if you guys remember Nate from my vlog, but he's a beast with the clippers too.
And Nata was looking all service at what I was doing, because Nata is that type of barber where he'll give out signs that, you know, you need to tighten up a little bit. And I understand, because there's plenty of tightening up that I gotta do. There's plenty of spreading of the blend that I need to do, the cleaning up of the ridge. And I get it, Nata. You know, you're just trying to help me out, but you know, sometimes it's a bit.
Nate was on his
trying to finish and live my best life, Nata. And you out here just, you know, looking from the peripheral.
Yo, the sip of the water, like that's gonna distract you from seeing that he's actually looking at the cut.
And I'm preparing and checking the angles. Again, I'm not trying to be stuck too much on the detail yet, because there's still plenty of work to do.
I look good, I ain't gonna lie.
And you know, I'm just trying to clean it up before we get to it. Besides the guards, I have been using shears and texturizing shears. As you can see, Nata is right there by my side. He's never usually by my side, but again, Chris stopped by, so Nata's gotta stop by my station. All right, so we're prepping up to do the color enhancement. I'm cleaning the area up from all the oil.
How you gonna expose me like that, Fonz?
Oils that he probably had in his forehead, and we're cleaning up. And as I started realizing, you know what? The color is just getting on top of the hair, and I need to get it closer to the skin. So I raised the hair up, try to get under there first, and then I came back with the enhancement card and continued.
Hey, that color guard right there, that color template, how Fonz got one and I don't? Shout out to Sean Cuts Hair.
Darkening up the light areas that your client has to make it seem like there's more fullness, more density around that area. So make sure you do those things. It's a little bit tougher because when you lift it, you can't use the card. So don't go overboard with the compressor. But anyways, after that, we're gonna go ahead and continue with the razor, clean it up, a little tap at a time, guys. You don't wanna go overboard. And same with you stretching the skin, all right? And I don't know if you noticed, but Nata's around just slithering around still and seeing how this cut is going and probably trying to give me signs of Fonz. You got to do some more detail, but it's okay. Like, as you can see, he's still there. He's still there, and I'm applying a little bit of pomade on top just to lay the hair down a little bit more, and Chris has to apply more pressure by recording.
You got me looking nice, Fonz.
Goodbye, Nata. Beat it. Beat it. Bye. Leave. I'm just finishing off now at this point.
Ooh, I was looking rough.
So what y'all think? Huh? Was it fire or was it basura? I liked it. I like this video all the way. I mean, Chris is, there's not enough I can say about Chris. That's my brother. That's somebody that has changed my life. If you know Chris and you know my story with Chris, we just got a whole lot of history. So happy I finally got to do it. I'm happy we finally got to make a video. It took me forever to make this video, by the way. He probably dropped it almost a month ago, and it's been 2 weeks since I've dropped something on this channel, so I'm like taking L's all day. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I'm dropping content on the Tomb 45 Academy. Me and Chris and some of the other guys are working together to bring together some of the best ideas possible to help all of you that are struggling in this industry or just want to continue to level up in the industry. If you mess with your boy, if you support my channel, if you support what I do, make sure you sign up for the Tomb 45 Academy. I'm also going to be going on tour soon. We're going to be putting together some private classes to whatever place wants to see me. It could be in Florida, it could be outside of Florida, it could be outside.
Look at my dog. Let me show y'all something, man. Going on tour, traveling, all that good stuff. Let me show y'all something. This is Fonz and Dre. Y'all know Dre is one of my business partners, my boy. He was my client back then, using the Envies, I think. Look at this. Teaching the homies what it takes to get into that barber life. This was 316 weeks ago. Look how far Fonz has come. Now got over 100,000 subscribers, educating on the Tomb 45 Academy, about to travel, do what he loves. So proud of his growth, man. Keep killing it, my brother. I love you. Just continue to prosper. Guys, go subscribe to YoFonzz channel. If you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments, smash the like button. And as always, we're dropping daily content between this channel, my barber channel, and my other channel, Life of Basio. If you want to see the behind the scenes stuff, entrepreneur, family, self-development stuff, man, go check out my other channel, Life of Basio. It'll be in the link below as well. And I'll see you guys next time.